Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You are signed into the same Apple ID and location services is enabled. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then Find My. Make sure Find My iPhone or Find My is toggled on and that Share My Location is active. If you see a prompt to allow location access always, accept it. This is why Find My can locate offline devices. Finally, check network connectivity and battery level so the service can update. You now diagnose the middle steps, verify location services accuracy in privacy settings, and set date and time to automatic so timestamps match iCloud. Next, go to iCloud settings and confirm Find My shows the device. If it doesn't, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Once you sign in, restart the device to refresh network and location services. If needed, toggle Find My off then on again. This often resolves stuck registration or visibility problems by forcing a new connection to iCloud. You finish by testing. Open the Find My app or iCloud. Calm and attempt to locate the device. If it appears, enable lost mode or play a sound to confirm location. If the device remains offline, leave it in Find My so it reports when it comes online and mark it as lost to protect data. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device never registers, check for MDM profiles or carrier restrictions and update iOS. These can block Find My, so remove profiles or update software before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.